two young men with us, and I call them young because they're a bit younger than me. We have Philip Hutchison with us. Philip, we're very pleased to see you again.
Thank you.
And just go over a wee bit nearer to the mic when you're speaking there, please.
All right, too.
That's it, even a bit nearer. Just let on you're licking on a lollipop. And that'll keep us handy. Well, Philip, you're very welcome.
Thank you, too.
And Alan,
Thanks, Stu.
it's great to see you here again.
That's good to be back again.
And we certainly enjoyed your music the last night you were here. You went out a bit quick, but you do know that we were under extreme pressure and we had quite a number of people coming in.
Heavy schedule that evening.
Yes, we would have liked you to play more, but unfortunately time doesn't always allow us to do that. I see you got a marvellous looking bow with you.
Ah, it's a good bow, too, yes.
And where did you purchase that fellow bow at?
That fellow come from a fellow Martin McCain from Moneymore.
Ah yes, I know him well. I bought a couple of very dear fiddles from him.
Ah,
But there's a lovely sound of that fiddle here.
it's not too bad now. It's not too bad.
Alan, what are you playing for us tonight? What instrument?
We'll play a few pieces here. We'll play two hornpipes to start with the Friendly Vista Knox, California.
Right.
I know I play the harmonicas.
Yes, you're a man down tonight.
We're a man down tonight, QI. He's undisposed this evening, so we'll just have to work with you.
Yes, well you tell him I'm a sort of cross because he's not
You
here.
have to play a bit for one of the next night, too.
I certainly will. Look, say, we'll let you have it there.
That'll do, too.
boys always play that traditional music. You must have some love for it. What's the attraction?
We were brought up with traditional music. My father and grandfather and great grandfather all played fiddles. We can go back in our family traditional music maybe to the 1800s, unbroken right through from that period in time. Yes.
So there was always
There's always music about.
always fiddles in your
There's
house.
always fiddles.
Why they used to put them over beside the chimney and they got all
Just
black
hang
and
up,
dark.
hang up next to the fire. That kept them dry and kept them in good shape. You know.
Yeah.
If a fiddle gets damaged, you know yourself, it just falls apart. You know.
Oh yeah, yes, and when they dry out a certain way, they sound better. And your fiddle's sounding well.
Not too bad too, yes. It's about.
It's a nice looking fiddle.
That's a good looking fiddle too, yes.
Yeah.
Surely that.
Tell us something on. Do you ever get out of breath there? Blowing under that?
Not too bad. Sometimes heavy rains you might be a wee bit, I don't smoke now, Hugh. I haven't smoked for 13 years, and I dare say if I had still smoking, I wouldn't probably be able to play. I wouldn't have the breath for it, you know.
Yeah.
It takes a fair bit of breath, but I want one for it, you know. The basic tunes, you know, faster tunes,
Well, I see you got another instrument here with you. Who's going to play that?
Oh, a banjo there too, was sort of footing at it. I don't know if that word footing was.
That's a very popular word around these parts, you know. When you hear a boy saying they're fiddler, it means they're not too bad.
Not too bad, you know.
You know, that was two hornpipes you played for us there. What do you want to play next here for us?
Well, we'll play two famous waltzes. We'll play Galway Bay and the famous Green Dance of Antrim.
Right.
Two famous tunes.
Well, just get stuck on there. That was tremendous. The Green Glens of Antrim is a marvellous tune, I think.
Love it too.
You know,
Purple tune, yes.
That's wild old. But it's always fresh, if you know what I'm saying.
It's always good, you know.
And, you know,
Well-known tune.
a well-known tune, and everybody has their own wee different take on it, and it sounds very nice. And of course, you know, the mournful sound of the fiddle there, it really sets it off. Now, as I said there, you've got another
And
instrument
the band
there.
with me too, yes.
And, well, do you want to pick it up there?
Well, I'll do a couple of horn picks of the
Right, that's okay.